By now, you've probably bumped into these abbreviations EXY or EMY or ALP or ACLT. And I thought I would make a short video to explain why we're using those combinations of letters and what they stand for. But to do that, let me talk about a time back before 2007 when we did a study of what we then called the English 052. This was a writing course that students were placed in if the AccuPlacer test showed that their writing skills were not strong enough for them to take English 101. Students who were placed in that course had to take it and had to pass it before they would even be allowed to register for English 101, which would mean they would be a semester late registering for English 101. So we did a study of all those students over 4 years who took that course that was designed to prepare them for English 101. And what we discovered was really startling. Of the students who started in that course, only 33% ever passed English 101. That means 2/3 of the students who were placed in that course never passed English 101 and therefore never completed any degree at CCBC because all our degree programs require English 101. So we went to work, and in 2007, we designed a program to replace that old unsuccessful model. And it was a program we called ALP. It stands for the Accelerated Learning Project. Accelerated Learning Program. And under that program, students whose AccuPlacer placement scores indicated they might have trouble passing English 101, instead of being placed in a course that they had to take first, they were placed directly into English 101. And then they took a course to support them in English 101 the same semester. In fact, usually it was in the hour immediately after the 101 class. So that's what the ALP program is. It's a program that lets students whose writing skills seem like maybe they're not strong enough to pass English 101 without help, take 101 anyhow, but get the help in a course that meets immediately after 101. That's ALP. That course that students take to support them while they're in English 101 is called ACLT 053, Academic Literacy 053. Now, in English 101, in our section of English 101, we are an ALP section. That means that of the 20 students in the class, 10 are students whose placement indicated they were ready directly to go into English 101, and another 10 are students whose placement ended they needed the support of the ACLT course while they're in English 101. So that's the course you're in now. If you're among the ALP students, then you registered for English 101 EXY. If you were in the 101 ready students, you registered for English 101 EMY. But since then, I've merged the two sections in the computer so that we're really the same section. We all meet at the same time. I'm the instructor for all 20 students and so forth. And when we do work in Blackboard, we'll all be in the same Blackboard shell. So for all intents and purposes, we're now one English 101 course. So I hope that clarifies what can be some sort of confusing initials.